Hello everyone, I am career engineer Mücahit Sakar. In this video, I will explain how much money those who complete this department earn. Before starting this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can also get one-on-one career counseling from me via the link below. This consultancy will be of great help in planning your career management. Now, the first category is for the average new graduate. An average new graduate who completes this department earns an average of 40% per hour. You can think of this as your entry salary. This may vary between countries, but we can accept it as an average salary for many countries. But what I recommend to my clients is not take this as a given. So you can only earn this money after graduation if you stay at the university. But I think that much more is possible. We will touch on them in other articles or other videos. I think for this, while you are still a university student, you should definitely do different things related to your department or faculty. Especially, these are digital-based jobs. Because this way, there is no limit to what you can do. Look, for example, I'm telling you something from a completely different part or different country of the world. Take your work to a digital-based and, if possible, global market. This way, you can hit $40 per hour much earlier. The second item costs between $50 or $60. You can think of this as possible or people who have been 2 years after graduation. Of course, these numbers are symbolic. The school you graduated from and the number of graduates in your department may vary depending on the current state of the market. But you can also consider this figure for someone who hasn't developed himself professionally at the university and has 2 years of experience. The third and last part is between $70 or $100. You can think of the audience here as people with 3 or 5 years of experience. At the end of the 5 years, you may either become a manager or you play an assistant manager role. That your manager attaches great importance to. This brings you to an income of around $100 per hour, $100 per hour. But as I said, our aim is Career Hub Studio is you can reach these figures or these salaries in a short time and earn much more income. This is possible in the world of TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and YouTube. So, how can you digitize the department or the faculty you are studying or you graduated? We will explain this in these coming videos. Last one, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and comment below the video. See you later.